wanna ask you something.
Okay, what do you wanna ask?
What do you think about the facilities at IAIN Kendari?
I think the facilities are quite complete, but affordable tuition fees. How about you?
In my opinion, apart from the complete facilities, the IAIN Kendari campus also has very friendly teachers. Then what is your reason for choosing the Islamic Communication and Broadcasting program?
My reason is because apart from learning communication, I can also get religious knowledge too.
Wow, amazing! Thank you for your time.
My pleasure. Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam.